Ciao a tutti and welcome to my Italian cooking class. Onion or garlic? Which one is the best for your Italian recipe? This is the question that we address today.
When you start to cook Italian dishes, a decision must be made quickly because nearly every Italian dish starts with browning either garlic or onion, and in some cases both. If you're Italian, it won't be so difficult to decide because certain pairings are so customary that one may think to be also compulsory.
With Ophelia's help, I will try to explain you these rules better.
Garlic and onion share the same family together with shallot, spring, onion, and leek, which are widely used in so many dishes. But they have very different characteristics. Garlic keeps away vampires and loved ones, while onion makes you cry. Just kidding. The basic rule for garlic and onion has got to do with the cooking time. Normally, garlic is used for dishes that need a short cooking time. Think of pasta with fresh tomato and some leaves of fresh basil. Garlic would be perfect there. On the other side, onion is used for long cooking times. Think of a classic tomato sauce that you simmer for 3 hours. Another example is risotto, which is made only with onion. Once again, onion will cook for a long time with the rice. Raw garlic is perfect with pesto, which is then crushed and used in a delicious spaghetti al pesto. Raw garlic fits well in grilled vegetables too. Finally, if you have a nice fresh red onion, don't hesitate to put it raw in your salad.
Follow the recipe or your gut, but keep in mind some other tips to use garlic or onion at their best.
First of all, buy garlic only if it's fresh. If you see that it is empty inside or it has some stains or dents on the outside, pass. It is not good. Now let's see how to clean it. With your hand, squeeze the garlic head to separate it into cloves. Get 1 clove, squish it just a bit with your hand without crushing it. This will make the clove ooze some moisture that will make peeling it very easy.
Garlic cloves taste pungent only when they are cut.
Therefore, the more finely you cut it, the stronger its flavor. If you want to give your dish a lighter taste, leave the garlic clove whole. Even better if you leave on the skin, but before putting it in, squish it lightly. This is done so there is a lower chance of burning it. Remember to always take out the germ. It is the most indigestible part of the garlic. A little trivia. If the germ is green, it means that the clove is a bit old and germination started. If you wait a bit longer, you can get a nice tiny garlic plant.
Slicing garlic in the rings is the classic way for pasta aglio olio e peperoncino.
While chopping it would give a stronger flavor to your dishes. That's the way to go for meatballs and stuffing. Is there a way to make the garlic more digestible and prevent your partner from leaving you?
Yes, there is. Put the garlic cloves inside the salty water and let's cook them until they become soft.
Don't exaggerate with the cooking time though. Now you can cut the cloves and use them in any way you want, and no one will run away from your breath.
Let's talk about onion. I love onions. They are a key ingredient in risotto recipe. Also, you can eat them roasted or fried.
For the onion's cooking time, there is only one small recommendation from Mom. It should always be slowly cooked. The longer you cook it, the sweeter it will taste. Is there a solution to prevent crying?
The only solution for not crying is to use Googles. You need? Let me know in comment below.
Well, Mom likes joking. You could actually cool down the onion by putting it in the fridge for a few minutes, and then cut it with a wet knife.
There is the only one last question. Garlic and onion is possible to use together? Yes, it's possible. You think of Italian soffritto.
Let's not forget that there are alternatives to onion or garlic, still belonging to the same onion family, which can help you make your dishes even more delicious. Let's recap some key points we learned today. Garlic should be cooked only for a short time, or else it may become bitter. Onion is suitable for dishes where it can be cooked for a long time, giving that delicious sweet flavor. Boiling garlic is a nice trick to make it more digestible and removing some of its pungent flavor, which not everybody likes.
If you want to learn more about Italian cuisine, subscribe. And remember, it's always sunny in Toni's home. Ciao!